Hi guys, so this is the geese walking. So ito na po yung palatandaan na matatapos na ang winter. Kasi nagpapakita na sila. So yan. Look at those ducks. Geese. Those are not, they're not ducks but geese. See? So nagpapakita na sila. Well, anyways, masyadong mataas. Ayan, wag po tayo susuko, okay? Sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin dyan na nasa brink na of giving up. No, don't give up, because there's always a light in the end of the tunnel, right? So yan lang. Lahat naman po siguro, lahat ng tao ay nakakaranas ng mga medyo nakakaramdam ng nawawalan ng pag-asa, but then the Lord always promises us that He will always be there for us, right? So lahat ng ginagawa natin ay may rason, may purpose. There's always a purpose bakit tayo nalulungkot, may purpose kung bakit tayo sumasaya, bakit tayo nagagalit, right? And with all those emotions, God is always there sa pagitan natin, right? So He's always there for us, like from the very start, from the moment that we are conceived by our mothers in their womb up to where you are right now. The Lord is always be there for us. Minsan lang inaalaw ng Diyos na ito yung based on my personal experience, I believe na inaalaw ng Diyos na medyo sampalin tayo ng konti, no? Figuratively right? Medyo inaalaw niya na may mangyaring hindi mabuti along the way, because He wants us to be in a good place. So honestly, nasa ganon din po akong pakiramdam ngayon. So medyo mahirap. I cannot put it into details as of the moment, but medyo mahirap, pero I know that the Lord is doing something for me because He loves me. I am His beloved, right? Alam ko dahil dati talaga matigas ang ulo ko. I always do things on my own, no? Even if I'll go to church almost every Sunday, and I was a former religious at that, but I always na-realize ko ngayon that lahat ng mga ginagawa ko noon, no, unconsciously or consciously, there are things na ginagawa ko. It's because of my own benefit, right? So gusto ko, pero ang tanong, gusto din ba ng Diyos? So I'm on the moment of really surrendering everything to God, like giving up all my decisions. Kung ano man ang gusto ko sa buhay, I'm giving up everything to Him. But my prayer also with sa Diyos, and my prayer to Him is that, Lord, you know my heart's desire, and but I'll take this cup away from me. Mga ganung moment. So medyo natataon dahil Lenten season ngayon, nasa ganun tayong mode, right? Nasa reflective mode tayo, and the mood is not that easy, it's not hindi kaya-aya, but then again, I leave everything to God, no? Kung ano man yung plano niya sa akin, I will leave everything to Him, and my prayer is that kung saan man niya ako kung saan man niya ako ilalagay, I will be at peace. My heart is at peace and my heart is happy because I know God put me there for a purpose. Right? So God's content, no, I'm sorry, God's context is everything. So yeah, yun yung natutunan ko. Like we always go to where God wants us to go. So that's my realizations now. It's quite medyo nakatakot, no? But I always remember this, that the phrase "be not afraid" is written in the Bible 365 times. So it's like God is saying us that we are not supposed to be afraid on a daily basis. Be not afraid on a daily basis because God will always be there for us. So yeah, just keep on going, just keep on swimming. Sabi nga ni Dory, just keep swimming because at the end of all this, it's all God's plans, and we're doing this for His own glory. Right? Okay? Thank you so much, and kung saan man kayong lupalup ng mundo ngayon, rest assured that I'll be praying for you all. So, hindi naman kayo kilala sa mga manonood nito, but rest assured of my prayers. God bless them, Lord, for those who are listening today or watching this video. Alright? Bye. God bless everyone.